Hi all, this is Mrs. Pear, and I am one half of the ninth grade English teaching team. We are thrilled to have you this year. We are so excited for school to begin. I am the mother of two adult children, and I am ready for my grandchild part.
And I am Mrs. Bryson, and I teach ninth grade English with Mrs. Pear. And I am the mother of two boys. Ian is 4 and Landon is 2. We love the dirt. We love to be outside. That's how we spent our quarantine, spent our summer, and the rest of the time we spent cooking and eating all the yummy things.
When you start with us, there are some things that you will need to have to begin class.
So the first thing, your supply, we need every student to have a notebook, to have a writing utensil and a highlighter. So it's nothing crazy. The notebook does need to be specifically for English. The writing utensil highlighter, if you use them for other classes, great. You're not going to keep them in our room. They will stay with you all year. And our contact information is also on the board. So if you need to email us, you have a question or something before school starts, you can email either teacher or both of us and we will respond. So my email is brysonm@muschools.com, and
Mine is peart@muschools.com.
so if you have any questions, feel free to email us and reach out. We really look forward to meeting you, and even though it's going to be a little different year, we think it's going to be a really great year.
Thanks, see you then.
Bye.